Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of binary subtraction, and especially we'll be exploring how to subtract two binary numbers. Here's our conversion table, which maps decimal numbers to binary equivalents. By referencing this table, we can anticipate the binary representation of our subtraction result before we perform the actual subtraction. According to our conversion table, 110101 minus 0110001 should result into 01100. Now let's see if our subtraction matches this anticipated result. First, we have to line up the two binary numbers vertically, just like we do with decimal subtraction. Then we start from the rightmost digit and work our way to the left. Here are the basic rules of binary subtraction. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. And 0 minus 1 equals 1 with borrowing. If the digit in the top number is greater than or equal to the corresponding digit in the bottom number, we simply subtract as we normally would. But if the digit in the top number is smaller, we need to borrow from the next higher digit in the top number. To borrow, we look at the next higher digit in the top number. If it's a 1, we can change it to 0 and add a 1 to the current digit we're working with. If it's a 0, we need to keep on borrowing until we find a 1. Let's go through our example step by step. Starting from the right, we have 1 minus 1 equals 0, 0 minus 0 equals 0, 1 minus 0 equals 1, 0 minus 1, we need to borrow. We borrow from the next column, which has a 1, turning it into a 0, and our current column becomes 1, 0, which is 2 in decimal, minus 1 equals 1. The next column will be the same, 1, 0, which is 2 in decimal, minus 1 equals a 1. And then in the last column, 0 minus 0 equals 0. So our result is 0111100, which matches our anticipated result from the conversion table. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can subtract any two binary numbers with ease. Remember to reference the conversion table to anticipate the results before performing the subtraction. Practice makes perfect, as they say. So be sure to try out some examples on your own. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy subtracting.